Imagine a street-legal monster with over 1,000 horsepower that can rocket from 0 to 60 faster than the blink of an eye. No, this isn't a concept car or a Hollywood stunt machine. This is real. This is raw. This is the 2025 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170. Welcome to the last chapter of pure American muscle, and possibly the wildest one ever written. The Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170 doesn't just push the boundaries, it completely obliterates them. Born out of Dodge Last Call series, this car is a celebration, a farewell, and a warning shot all in one. It's loud, unapologetic, and brutally fast. With a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 HEMI engine under the hood, this beast delivers an unbelievable 1,025 horsepower and 945 lb-ft of torque when running on E85 ethanol. Let that sink in. That's more power than most supercars, and it comes from a factory-produced, street-legal vehicle. This is not just muscle, it's madness engineered with precision. Dodge didn't just slap a bigger supercharger on a Hellcat engine and call it a day. The Demon 170 features a heavily revised powertrain with a 3.0-liter supercharger and 105 throttle body. Even the drive shaft, differential, and transmission had to be beefed up to handle the fury this car unleashes. Nearly every component has been strengthened or redesigned for maximum performance and durability. And performance, it's simply jaw-dropping. On E85 fuel, the Demon 170 launches from 0 to 60 mph in an insane 1.66 seconds. That makes it the quickest production car in the world. Yes, quicker than a Bugatti Chiron. It pulls 2 GS off the line, that's fighter jet level force in a street car. Quarter-mile time, just 8.91 seconds at 151 mph, officially certified by the NHRA. In fact, it's so fast that it's banned from NHRA drag racing unless it's fitted with a roll cage. Looks-wise, Dodge stays true to its bold and muscular roots. The wide-body kit, flared fenders, aggressive air intakes, and drag radial tires give the Demon 170 a stance that says, "Get out of my way," even when it's parked. Every inch of this car screams attitude. A yellow Demon badge with a 170 neck tattoo replaces the traditional red, symbolizing its ethanol-powered upgrade. The available two-tone paint options add even more flair to its already intimidating presence. Inside the cockpit, simplicity meets racing intent. Buyers can choose a no-frills single-seat layout to save weight or opt for a more traditional seating arrangement. The optional rear seat, front passenger seat, and trunk carpet can be deleted for hardcore drag racers, but if you choose to keep them, you'll still enjoy the familiar Challenger interior, driver-focused, rugged, and built with purpose. The Demon 170 isn't just about brute strength, it's a story of rebellion. Dodge knew the era of gas-powered beasts was nearing its end, and instead of slowly fadding out, they decided to go out with a roar. The Demon 170 is their mic drop. It's the final uncensored love letter to car enthusiasts who crave smoke, speed, and sound. In a world quickly shifting to electric vehicles, this Challenger reminds us what pure combustion-powered excitement feels like. Production is ultra-limited. Only 3,300 units are planned, 3,000 for the US and 300 for Canada. That exclusivity adds to the appeal and makes this a collector's dream. And with a starting price of around $96,000, it's not cheap. But then again, you're not just buying a car. You're buying the last breath of the muscle car era. You're buying the thunder before the silence. What Dodge has done with the Demon 170 isn't just about speed stats. It's about heritage, identity, and engineering defiance. It's a vehicle built to terrify the pavement, dominate drag strips, and leave permanent tire marks in the memory of performance history. Every time you turn the key or push the button, you're unleashing a controlled explosion of American power. Whether you're a die-hard Mopar fan or just a lover of fast cars, the 2025 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170 is the kind of machine that demands attention and respect. It's one of those cars that people will talk about decades from now. The one where someone says, "Remember when Dodge went crazy and built a 1,000 horsepower muscle car right before everything went electric?" So if you ever get a chance to see one in person, or better yet, hear one start up, don't miss it. It's not just a car, it's a legacy on wheels, a fire-breathing finale to one of the most legendary lineups in American automotive history. This is the Demon 170. No filters, no compromise, just pure mechanical